Hey guys! Are you confused on how the multi-store model works? Or how our memory works? Well, stay tuned to find out. Hey again, I'm Andrea, and today I will be talking about the multi-star model in reference to Glanzer and Cunitz study. So this goes with the learning outcome C1. Outline one model or theory of memory. The multi-store model, or the information processing theory, incorporates three different types of memory: sensory memory, short-term memory, and long-term memory. This model characterizes memory by its duration, or how long it stores the information, and by its capacity, or how much information is stored. Its premise is for something to be in long-term memory, it must go through a certain process of recollection. First, it must go through a sensory memory, where it uses iconic memory for the visual inputs and echoic memory for the auditory inputs. The duration of sensory memory is the shortest, as iconic memory decays within 1 second and echoic memory decays within 2 to 5 seconds. Next, it may go to short-term memory, where information is collected within 7 plus or minus 2 chunks. Long-term memory is when information is recalled for a very long periods of time. The current duration of long-term memory is indefinite and its capacity unlimited. Information in sensory memory is the quickest to decay, but the capacity is unlimited. It encodes everything that is caught up by our senses. The two sensory memory inputs are the iconic memory, where visual information that enters the visual store decays quickly, and the echoic memory, where auditory information is handled by the auditory sensory store, which usually decays within 2 to 5 seconds. Then we have the haptic memory, where information is collected via the sense of touch. Good morning, man. Today, you will be participating in a study to look at memory. You will be presented with different words, and right after this, you must immediately recall as many words as you can in any order. Projector, gasoline, barrel, tree, lemon, water, film, sack, caramel, wardrobe, cereal, pool, padlock, rope, crown. Okay? You may now write down all the words that you can remember. Welcome. Today you will be participating in a study to look at memory. I'll be presenting to 15 words, and you must recall as many as you can in any order. After I have concluded, I will tell you when to write it down.
Projector, gasoline, barrel, tree, normal, wardrobe, cereal, pool, padlock, rope, crown.
Now I would ask you to count backwards from 30 in multiples of 3. Now you may write down as many words as you can. The results showed the primacy effect and the recency effect. Participants best remembered the words from the beginning and the end of the list. The results showed a U-shaped curve. The U-shaped curve was also known as the serial position curve. With the introduction of the delay, the recency effect was clearly diminished after the 30-second delay. This confirmed the theory that memory had multiple storages. The delay did not impact primacy effect because Glanzer and Cunitz said that with the words from the beginning of the list, it was already stored in the long-term memory, while those in the end are still in short-term memory, therefore more susceptible to decay. The distractor task affects the short-term memory as short-term memory can only hold 7 plus or minus 2 units within a certain amount of time. At the end of the list, the delay caused a decay in short-term memory as more information has been going in. The older information needs to be pushed away into decay or into long-term memory. In order for something to go into long-term memory, it depends on the rehearsal time and attention that is put into those information, which is why the words at the beginning of the list was more likely to be transferred into long-term memory, therefore the participants remembering those words better. Words earlier in the list had more rehearsal, therefore will have a greater chance going into long-term memory, which is recalled better. Short-term memory, The two sensory memory inputs are the iconic memory where visual